Hello and welcome to this channel. Thanks very much for your interest. My name's Edward Calcutt. I'm an English tour guide based in London, and my background is in history, in ancient history, Latin and Greek especially. But in the last 4 or 5 years, I've become really interested in London's history and also anything, basically, art history, galleries, museums, literature, poetry, and creating experiences for people to actually get a taste of these things and to become fascinated by them as I am. I started out doing tours in London, walking tours, all different kinds of themes, whether it was literature based like Dickens's London or Shakespeare's London, or whether it was galleries or museums like a walking tour of the National Gallery or the Roman section of the British Museum, all kinds of things like that, or just the general history of an area. I've put links below in the description. You can see my groups where you can see those walking tours, which I've now started to do again, now that it's summer and the lockdown has ended. A bit more about that in a sec. During the COVID time, I started to do online talks where I would create presentations of places anywhere in the world, like Petra in Jordan, or the Acropolis in Athens, or the terracotta warriors of China. Usually places that I've been to in my life, but also things that I know quite a lot about, and again, created these kind of experiences for you. So these talks online are about 1 hour long. They're actually done live, so you can see the recordings on this YouTube channel and like and subscribe to them. But you can also join live. So I do them once every 2 weeks, on a Wednesday at 6 p.m. UK time and a Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time. I do it through Zoom. Again, you can find the links below to different websites where you can join up and you can stay notified of these online events. So wherever you are in the world, you can still join and yeah, have a nice experience. And if you join live, then it's usually about 20 people, 15, 20 people, really nice people from all over the world. And we always have a chat before, and then we have a longer kind of chat and questions, whatever, afterwards. So yeah, and if you're in London or if you're coming to the UK, coming to London, and you want to do a walking tour with me, then you can see below how you can join up. You can also just contact me privately. I'm always flexible to do custom tours or to host you and friends or family. The walking tours are about 2 hours long. And again, anything, any kind of topic that I get interested in. And I bring a sort of iPad along with me to show you pictures, give you a context and show you how it used to look or whatever it is. So it's pretty comprehensive. And I often read out quotes from literature or poetry that relate to that place or places. Yeah, and after that 2 hour walk, we go to a pub and have a nice sort of social after drinks chat and socializing. It's really fun. So yeah, again, links below, you can find all the information or you can contact me privately, whatever you like to do. So yeah, thanks very much for showing interest, and I hope you enjoy the videos and maybe see you on a walking tour in the future. Bye.